Hi, Brad Sherman here, and you can see behind me just some of the devastation here in the city of Jackson as a result of high winds that swept the area on Friday evening. As you can see, this tree hit a power line, knocking most of the residents around here out of power. With wind gusts reportedly up to 75 miles per hour, Jackson was one of many communities in southern Ohio ravaged by the windstorm. It left behind downed trees, widespread power outages, destroyed property, and just a mess to clean up. Most of the city was without power for quite some time after the storm had passed, playing havoc with traffic. Another reason for the slow traffic was shocked residents all slowing down and even some stopping to take a closer look at the damage. Taking a look now at some of the more notable ones, the white lattice Chamber of Commerce sign in Manpower Park, truly one of the sights that the Apple City is known for, completely blown to the ground. The Ponderosa sign, it once stood high atop the popular restaurant. It's now across the street and closer to another restaurant, McDonald's. As you can see from this shot, the sign traveled quite a distance from Ponderosa. And Howler Field, home of the Jackson Ironman baseball team, the wind appeared to catch hold of the advertising banners that once adorned the fence and tore it from its poles, and you can see it there lying on the ground. Some folks had just minor damages, a few lost shingles or a knocked over bush in their backyard. Others had much bigger problems to deal with, like entire trees in their front yards. Other trees brought down power lines, and others still fell across city streets, making them impassable. Crews were out in full force trying to get a handle on the situation, cleaning up the trees and trying to get power restored to its customers, but it may be some time before this entire mess is cleaned up.